In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sales form styles in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your sales forms in QuickBooks Online is a great way to create a professional look that reflects your brand. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger operation, tailoring your invoices and other forms can help you leave a lasting impression on your customers. Plus, it ensures that all the necessary details are included for smooth transactions. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start personalizing your forms today. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of editing sales form styles in QuickBooks Online so you can make them uniquely yours. First, start by clicking the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. This will open up your settings menu where you can access various customization options. From the settings menu, select the option labeled Custom Form Styles. This is where all your existing form templates are stored, and it's the place to go whenever you want to create or edit a custom style. Next, locate the form style you'd like to update from the list displayed on your screen. You'll see all your current form templates here, so scan through until you find the one you want to work on. Once you've chosen the correct form style, click the Edit button next to it. This will open up the customization window, where you can start making adjustments to your form's design and layout. Now, take some time to adjust the layout, colors, fonts, spacing, and alignment of your form. This is where you can truly make the design match your brand's style. Think about your company colors, preferred fonts, and any other design details that will give your forms a polished, professional appearance. As you make changes, you can use the preview pane, if it's available, to see how your updates will look in real time. This is a helpful tool to ensure your design adjustments are coming together, just as you envisioned. After finalizing the layout, it's time to customize the content of your form. Decide which fields you want to include or exclude. For example, you can choose to display details like the invoice number, customer address, terms, purchase order, shipping details, or due date. Tailoring these fields ensures your form is clear and contains all the information your customers need. If your business requires additional fields for references, such as a project name or an internal job code, be sure to enable those as well. These extra details can be crucial for keeping your records organized and ensuring clarity in communication. Don't forget to include any tax details, business identifiers, or compliance information that applies to your transactions. This step is especially important for meeting legal and regulatory requirements, so double-check that everything is accurate and complete. To further personalize your forms, consider adding payment instructions, warranty notes, or reminders. You can include these in the message or footer sections of your form. These details can help provide your customers with clear guidelines for payments and any additional terms they need to know. Once you've finished customizing your form, click the Done button at the bottom right corner of the screen to save your changes. This ensures all your updates are finalized and ready to use. Finally, return to the list of form styles in QuickBooks Online. You'll see that your edited form is now updated and available to use for future sales forms. And that's it. You've successfully customized your sales form style in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.